On a Sunday, huh? Okay, let's settle down. Tita Ethel. At para sa inyong mga coverage. Again, sorry to keep you waiting and medyo limited time po tayo ngayong afternoon because may mga nag-overtime na programs ng ABS. Okay? Thank you so much. Oh, sabi ni JN simula na. Okay, guys? Ayan, magandang tanghali. Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Welcome to the Grand Preston para sa pinakaabangang pelikula ng dalawang karakter na talaga naging parte ng buhay natin. Si Laida Magtalas at Miggy Montenegro. This time, sa It Takes a Man and a Woman. March 30 in cinemas nationwide. Directed by the blockbuster director Kathy Garcia Molina. Okay, clear na po natin. Ito na pa ang super fresh na full trailer. We'd like to show you the full trailer of It Takes a Man and a Woman. Watch this.
A very special love. And who are you?
Laida Magtalas.
Change their lives.
Powerhouse!
Naalis ka pa ba?
Pwede pa naman natin pag-usapan to eh.
A love story we thought would have a happy ending.
Nandito na ako!
Ito na nga, nagmamadali na ako.
I'm waiting.
Nakikita na kita.
Nakita ko na!
Ended.
Ay, sige.
When the past returns, you're okay to work with her, right? So we have a choice. Welcome back to Flippage, Miss Magtalas.
You can call me Laida. Masyado ka naman formal. Parang wala tayong pinagsamahan.
And feelings are unmasked.
This is Laida Magtalas version 2.0. Braver.
I'm sure we can do a lot better than entrust the future of our companies to...
Wow. Big word. Sige nga, Mr. Montenegro. Let's talk about trust. Bolder? Sino lang editor-in-chief natin?
Ako!
Fiercer.
Laida, ano ba? Come back to work.
Sabihin mo na kailangan mo ko.
No.
Okay. Madali naman akong kausap.
Okay, I need you, Laida! Okay na ba yun?
Okay.
Will things ever be the same?
Ano ang kailangan natin gawin para makamit na natin ang kanilang matamis na O?
We buy it.
Binabayaran mo ang oo ng nililigawan mo? Parang wala naman ako natanggap na bayad doon.
Ako ba naligo noon? Star Cinema and Viva Films proudly bring back John Lloyd Cruz and Sarah Geronimo in the most successful romantic comedy series of its time.
Close the door.
Eh, di ba?
Sabi ko, close the door when you leave.
What will it take?
Hi, Laida. Hola, hi. Alone? Alone? No, I'm actually waiting for someone.
To bring back their happy ending.
Hi, baby.
Hey.
Call waiting.
It takes a man and a woman.
Ang init.
Directed by Kathy Garcia Molina.
Water, please.
March 30 in cinemas.
Nakakaloka! That's it, the full trailer. Ibang-iba naman. I'd like to call in the cast, our director, and our writer to please. Sa stage na po, Miss Sarah Geronimo, John Lloyd Cruz, Isabel Daza, Miss Carmen Raimundo, and their Kathy Garcia Molina. Oo, syempre, no? Si Tita Ethel lang magsasabi niyan, hindi ako authority. Okay? Miss Carmi. Ay, na-miss natin si Lyda and Miggy, but we'll find out kung ano nang tinakbo ng kanilang mga characters. Oo, let's be gentle ha. May mga baguhan tayo sa cast, tsaka no personal question sana. Okay, at to officially moderate this press con, I'd like to call in Miss Ethel Ramos. Wilbur, pakibigyan ng mic si Tita Ethel. At siya na rin ang mag-aan. Ayan, Tita Ethel, you're on.
Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat.
Saya.
Hindi muna natin aanuhin yung mga kanilang mga roles.
Okay, go ahead, Tita. It's your choice. Do you want them to greet? Tapos kwento na ng role nila.
Oh, and then to greet na lang and then continue.
Sige, go. Let's start with our writer muna, Miss Carmi. Pati lang daw po muna, Miss Carmi.
Ay, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon po sa lahat ng nandito. Salamat po pagpunta kahit Sunday.
Wow, may following na talaga si Miss Carmi. And of course, introducing Miss Isabel Daza. Ang ganda niya.
I'm happy to be here and thank you po for supporting the press conference and the meeting.
And of course, the box office director, Kathy Garcia Molina.
Thank you po, thank you. Thank you kahit linggo. Andito po kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Siyempre, ang sobrang na-miss natin, Miss Sarah Geronimo!
Hello, good afternoon po. Thank you po for joining us this afternoon. At inaasahan po namin yung support po ninyo dito sa movie. Thank you.
And of course, the box office king, Sir John Lloyd Cruz!
Ganun po. Kahit nasanay na kayo sa mundo ng showbiz, alam namin na naghintay kayo, kaya pasensya na po.
Thank you for that. Ayan.
And good afternoon, and sana ho, mag-enjoy tayo ngayon.
Alam mo, John Lloyd, for us to wait, it takes patience.
Wow.
Ngayon ang question ko.
Kala ko it takes a man and a woman
Hindi,
to
ako
wait.
unang magtatanong, ha?
Go, Tita Ethel.
Including the writer, of course, cast, si Direk, the blockbuster
Naman.
director. At saka, including of course the writer. For the three actors, ang gusto ko itanong, what does it take a man and a woman to change his or her life in order for her to find his or her special love?
Wow! Ang deep, ang profound. Let's start with the writer siguro. Ay, woman ka naman, di ba? Go the heck, Miss Carmi. Naintindihan mo, Miss Carmi, yung question. What does it
take a man and a woman to allow herself or himself to change her or her life in order for her or him to find her special love?
Ayun.
For a man and a woman to
Out
find...
naman yung music, baba. Distracting. Thank you.
What does it take? Growth and maturity, syempre. Kasi, di ba, to find your very special love, di ba, it takes a lot of growth, a lot of understanding on your part. Di ba, kasi hindi naman simple yung to find that very special love. Kasi di ba, hindi simple yung very special love. It's a complicated emotion, it's a complicated matter. So, it takes a lot of growth, maturity, humility, patience.
Dami
Diba? Oh, ang dami talaga. Diba? To find that very special love. Yun po, tingin ko.
Thank you.
Isabel? It's our first time yata. First movie mo sa Star Cinema?
It's my first movie.
Okay.
Ever.
Oh, ever. Okay, I've introduced you. Go ahead.
What does it take? I think it takes a lot of, like what Ms. Carmi said, compromise as well. And I think you have to be willing to sacrifice and listen to the other person what your flaws are so that you can change for the better. Hindi naman change totally. To be able to experience that very special love with a man or a woman.
Nice. Did Kathy herself? Gusto mo yun?
Ako, I think it takes just one moment, no? One moment to find that person. But after finding that person, it takes a lot more than that to be able to keep it. Iba kasi yung mahanap mo, iba yung i-keep mo. So sa akin, one moment lang kailangan mo. One tinginan lang, that's it. But keeping it is another matter.
Diba? Sarah?
May alam po ba ako tungkol siya? Oo. Iba-iba. Para kay Derek, it takes one moment. Ako, maraming moments. It takes time to know kung gaano ka-special ang isang tao para sa'yo. Time na naman! Hindi, ayun, yun po ang para sa akin. Naman, yun lang naman. Diba? It takes time.
Thank you, Sarah. John Lloyd.
Kung may maidadagdag pa ako, ako na naka-invento ng love ko.
Wow.
Hindi, tama lahat ng sinabi nila eh. Talagang mula kay Ate Carmi hanggang kay Direk, kay Sarah, Belle. Talagang yung madaling, parang yung ma-in love is one thing, pero keeping the love alive and yung magtagal siya, that's another thing eh. So, and that makes it special. Kasi yung ma-in love ka, ilang beses pwedeng mangyari sa'yo eh. Pero yung umabot hanggang dulo, yung nagtagal kayo, hanggang sa tumanda kayo, that makes it special. Then siguro yun yung, para sa akin, yun yung pinaka...
Ang haba pa ng proseso, ano? Finding that sa yung moment, tapos yung pagkikip mo, di ba? Okay. Lalong lumalim yan.
Bigat po kasi na una yung tanong, Manay.
Actually, pinagsama-sama ni Manay Ethel in one question yung title ng pelikula, yung dalawa.
Ang unang magtatanong, AJ,
Go ahead,
si Miss Aster Amoyo ng People's Choice.
Of course!
Wala kasi paring Mario Bautista dito eh.
Ay, nasaan?
Anyway, si Direk muna. Direk, it took them, or it took the three of you 4 years bago nasundan itong last movie ni JL at saka si Sarah. What made them, bakit inabot ng ganung katagal considering na parehong box office hits yung dalawang naunang pelikula? And another question is, ano ang chemistry na nakita nyo dito sa dalawa? Kasi iba yung trailer pa lang marami nang kinikilig eh.
Yung pong bakit nagtagal, hindi ko po kayang sagutin. I mean, I think there are other reasons why hindi natutuloy ang schedule. Pero I would like to take it as a blessing in disguise kasi nagkataon na yung kwento natin ngayon tungkol sa mga taong nag-mature, a different kind of love, a notch higher than the kilig-kilig kind of love. Nakabuti na nagpahinga sila ng 4 na taon and they grew apart and they grew as a person, no? Na nung dinirect ko na po itong part 3, hindi ako nahirapan because exactly what the characters went through, they've also gone through in their personal lives. Tungkol naman po sa kilig, hindi ko po alam talaga. May magic kasi ang ngiti ni Sarah eh. Talagang, smile nga dyan.
Magic ang ngiti niya.
I always tell her that eh. She has that really magical smile na hindi ka mapapangiti back. And I think si Lloyd hindi napigilan makangiti back talaga yan kay Sarah. And after that kasi po, it's not really me, it's them. So whatever you see on screen, sila yan, the magic between them, I cannot explain. It's unexplainable for me.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you po.